Y'all, something happened for the first time. I've never had it happen to me, but I had opened a refrigerated pie crust, and it was like they didn't put enough flour on it when they rolled it up, and it just stuck. So I just warmed it in my hands and into a ball, and I re-rolled it. So, like I said, I've never had that happen before. And I tried to roll it a little bit bigger because I like to turn the leftover crust under to give the crust part more body. So just gonna tuck all that in just like that. Yeah, never had that happen before. But you know, once in a while you can get maybe a dud that didn't quite get all it was due, you might say. So I just pinch mine. There's several ways you can do this, but I do mine the easy way. Just pinch, pinch, pinch. And that looks fine, doesn't it? Just fine.
Pretty.
No.
You'd have never known.
Never known. All righty.
And we said that was the hardest part of this recipe.
And you were correct. That was the hardest part. Do we have a medium-sized bowl over there, Teresa? I don't think I need.
How about this?
Yeah, perfect. 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 Thank you. Thank you. All right. In case you hadn't figured it out, y'all, we're doing spinach and bacon quiche. For some reason, people really like a spinach quiche.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to start with 2, 4, 6 eggs. And I'm going to beat them till they cry. Or either I cry. One of us is going to cry. Okie dokie. And I've got 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Is that heavy cream, Teresa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought it looked thicker. Yeah, I thought it looked thicker than like a half and half, because it really does make a difference. I've got Swiss cheese here, which I love Swiss cheese in a quiche. You got my spinach, Teresa.
I sure do.
Good.
I was hoarding it.
All right. I've got my bacon that I don't cook it all the way like crisp, because when you do that, you don't get the flavor. You just don't get the flavor that you would get when you don't overcook it. In goes our spinach. This looks like this could make 2 quiches to me.
So you might need that bigger pan back.
Yeah. Little pepper. Little salt. This looks yummy, doesn't it? So creamy, and that's because we're using that heavy cream, y'all, instead of half and half.
Oh, decent enough for me.
Eddie thinks so.
I think it's gonna work.
I thought you were going to have too much. I'm going to be honest.
I thought I was too. I thought I was too. Now, how long are we gonna bake this for? I can't
I think
remember.
it says 35 to 45 minutes.
Yeah. And my oven just cooks extremely fast, y'all. So you'll have to adapt how long you cook it according to your oven.
Did you want to
All
do this?
right. Yes, I'm gonna put some bacon on top. You know it. You know it.
I don't think anyone is surprised. Eddie, are you? They're looking for the butter.
I don't believe there's any butter in this.
There's not. Nor does there need to be.
No, this is plenty rich enough.
Yummy, yum. I'm like Eddie. I love quiche.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Can take it or leave it, y'all. All right, 350. 30 to 35 minutes, Therese.
I'd say 35.
I got a tester.
I'm the best in town.
I'm telling you. I couldn't go out and hire a better taster than you, Michael.
I guarantee you.
Look at the cheese.
Steam.
Look at the bacon.
That's a pretty quiche.
That is a pretty, pretty quiche.
I might like this one. I'm not real big in the quiche, but this one looks like it's.
Well, they say real men don't eat quiche, but real men do eat quiche, y'all.
Or at least test.
Uh-huh.
What don't you like about a quiche? Egg?
Oh, he
cream?
loves eggs. He
No,
loves them.
Usually they're real thin and dry and don't have a whole lot of stuff in them.
Uh-huh.
We don't make that kind of stuff around here.
But this one is looks like it's a pretty hearty one.
It is.
You want a bite?
No, I'm enjoying watching you. How do you like the cheese that's in it? That Swiss cheese.
It's good.
You know what would only make it even better? Thank you, portobello mushrooms. I adore portobello mushrooms, y'all.
I think he just turned his
adore
nose
it.
up to you.
I think he did too, and he loves mushrooms.
Those aren't my favorite. I don't know why
The
you.
portobellos are
Yeah.
not. Oh, they eat like meat, Michael. I mean, you have to use a knife and cut them, and they chew like meat.
I like meat.
So is that a thumbs up on the quiche?
Just good. Delicious.
Yay!
Yum.
I trust his tongue, y'all. As long
So
as he's
that myth-
using it to eat with
That myth
and
has
not
been
talk.
broken. Real men do eat quiche.
That's right. I'm here to tell you that real men eat quiche. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.